Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a back-to-back video for High Tide. Why? Because there's a few things, I want to cover for tomorrow that is important. Is High Tide a buy or a sell after earnings? I can't tell you that because I'm not a financial advisor. I have no idea. At the end of the day, all I can tell you is examples from other companies. We look at Sundial Girls, right? It has a market cap of $2.1 billion. And then we look at their finances for the full year of 2019. They made $75 million. Wait, hold on. What? Their revenue actually decreased. So it went from like 23 to 20 to $12.86 million. Yeah. Their revenues decreased. And the net income from a profitable stance bar increased too. It went from negative 43 million to negative 61 million to negative 71.3 million. And they are valued at $2.1 billion. $2.1 billion. Think about that. Their revenue is decreasing. Their net income on the profitable side is increasing. The net loss is increasing. And their stock is valued at $2.1 billion. And if we look at the total revenue for the entire year, for 2019, it was $75 million. I think that the total revenue for 2020, is going to be the same thing. It's going to be lower. It's going to be like, I don't know, just from looking at this, 20 to that's 40, that's 50, probably like 70 million, 65 million. Revenue, profits don't matter. Stocks are worth as much as shareholders are willing to pump. And at one point, Sundial was worth way more than what it is now. So let's look at High Tide. High Tide, profitable company. Growth in revenue. Valued at $446 million. I feel like they should be more valuable than Sundial Girls. My opinion only. So potentially they can go up, 200-300 more percent. But that requires investors to pump the stock up. Will Wall Street people do it? No, because it's not listed on the NASDAQ. But they could. If that is if that is really true, that retail investors are the one that caused Sundial to grow is to have a $2.1 billion market cap. There's a lot of money in this world, and stocks are worth as much as investors are willing to pump. So if investors get excited enough and they want to pump the stock to the moon, then as a shareholder, I'm happy. But that's what, as an investor, that's what we got to gamble on. We got to gamble that the markets get excited enough to pump the stock. I'm not here to to tell people to buy the stock or sell the stock. I really can't, because that's illegal. All I can say is it's up to the market. I don't know. I don't control the market. The stock could sell off tomorrow, but then short sellers be like, yay! Yay, it's sold off, I'm so happy. So, will big money pump the stock tomorrow? Or will big money let the short seller win and sell off the stock? I don't know. I'm not selling my stock because I still think that this company did pretty well in the earnings. And I feel like they are undervalued compared to their peers. and I feel like they are a growing growing business. Because if we look at their finances annually, they grew. Last year in 2019, they had $31 million of revenue. They were expected to do $67.8 million of revenue according to Yahoo Finances, but they destroyed that, and they were expected to do a net income loss of $20 million, and they completely destroyed that because they did oops, that's the wrong one. I think I just closed down my setter. I don't know. I closed down my setter. They did like $83 million. So in 2018 they did $8 million. 2019 they did $31 million. That is like 180% growth. And in 2020 they did $83 million. That is another 130 or 140% growth. And what's going to be for 2021 of October 31st? I wonder. 71 stores, probably 105, 110 plus Smoke Cartel, and they should be doing double what they of 80 million. They should do like $200 million of revenue by 2020 of October 31st. So they are a growing company. They are growing every single year. So I don't know. Like at the end of the day, I don't know what investors are gonna do. I don't know what big money is gonna do. But if this company gets a lot of cash, they can really quickly grow and become a giant beast in the future and make more revenue than Afria. Well, hopefully. Tilray and Afria would be tough to beat. They'll probably make more revenue than Aurora in the future. That's what I believe. So, do what you want. But I feel like that High Tide deserves a higher market cap. But I don't control the market. I don't determine what the price of the market cap is. Retail not retail invest. Big money does. If this thing goes to $2 billion, you think that's going to be retail investors that did it? Maybe retail investors helped bring it to $2 billion market cap. But it's going to be big money that does it at the end of the day, in my opinion. So, we'll see where this goes. If I was a short seller, I'd be a little nervous. Just a little nervous. Because this thing could get pumped to the moon. And you could get short squeezed. And you would be crying tomorrow, because I believe that there's over 100 million shares shorted in this company right now at the moment. But I don't know for sure. We'll see what happens when they update the short position on the stock. But according to my research, there is a decent amount of short position on High Tide right now. Maybe it's been covered. I don't know. But I still think that there's still a good like 30 or 40 million shares shorted on this company. So short squeeze to upside, that's total possibility in my opinion. Anyways, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm still excited. I mean, if it crashes really hard, buying, for me personally, it's a buying opportunity, right? I mean, you guys can do what you want, but I feel like if it crashes hard tomorrow, that just creates a buying opportunity. But that's my opinion, not financial advice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.